Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion ngayon itong article published sa Inquirer.net. Tungkol ito sa pag-attend ni General Nicolas Torre sa isang anti-corruption rally na sinagawa ng Liberal Party. So ano na talaga, palaban na itong si General Torre. Kung ano yung nakikita niya mali, mali talaga. At sumama siya sa rally, which is very good. Magkaisa tayo. Labanan itong korupsyon ng Marcos administration. Ito, title, Torre clarifies presence at Liberal Party event, says he was only invited by friend. Former PNP Chief General Torre has clarified that his attendance at the LP event is only about supporting anti-corruption calls, which the said political group is espousing. Torre, in an ambush interview before the start of the LPs, kung walang korap, walang mahirap, yan po ang slogan ng Liberal Party Anti-Corruption Rally. Ito rin yung slogan panahon ng Pinoy administration. Tandang-tanda ko pa yan eh. Kung walang korap, walang mahirap. Fellowship event on Friday said that he was invited by a friend from Masbate whom he helped. Okay, sana pa. However, the ex-PNP chief noted that as an active police officer, he cannot join partisan political groups. Tama naman. Active pa siya eh. First of all, sabi niya, I cannot be a member of any political party because I am an active police officer. So we're clear on that. I was invited by friends. I was able to help them when cyclones struck Masbate. So we still have proceeds from our foundation. They staged a fundraising event. I want to help them there in Masbate, and she invited me. She said, hey, we have an event about having no poor Filipinos if there is no corruption, no poverty if there is no corruption, an anti-corruption event. I said I will attend and watch. So to me, wala namang masama. Kahit ako siguro, kung may mag-imbita sa akin, anti-corruption rally, kahit anong color, kahit makakaliwa dyan, dilawan, whatever, basta anti-corruption, gusto kong mag-attend. So tama lang ito, itong ginawa ni General Torre na ito para sa akin. Ano pa? Torre stressed that the fight against corruption is not exclusive to a political group, but is something that all Filipinos must share. Oh, agree ako dyan. Kaysa tayo. Sabi niya, I think the fight against corruption should transcend political lines. That fight should not be mixed with or defined by politics because every Filipino is affected. First of all, corruption is against the law. So whatever your color, whatever your belief is, we should have one goal. Okay? So ako, salamat ako na isang 4-star general. Kahit tayong mga DDS medyo hindi katanggap-tanggap yung ginawa niya kay ating Tatay Digong. Dapat in a proper forum sagutin niya yun. Yung kasong na isampa pala sa kanila ni Mayor Baste, binasura na, no? Saan ba? Anyway, sabi ni Tatay Digong, there will always be a day of reckoning. Yung ginawa nila, huwag nating kalimutan yung ginawa nila kay Tatay Digong. Major role ang ginawa ni General Torre sa kidnapping ng ating Tatay Digong. So, ito, ibang usapan ito. Ibahin natin. Corruption kasi lahat tayo apektado. So magkaisa po tayo at basta panawagan laban sa korupsyon, suportahan natin. At okay to, yung Liberal Party. Walang corrupt, walang mahirap kung walang korap. Agree ako dun. So, dahil talamak ang korupsyon nitong administrasyong ito, ibig sabihin, maraming kawawang Pilipino. Sino ba yung nagsabi? Artista si Regine Velasquez ata, na hindi tayo mahirap, pinahihirapan lang tayo. Agree ako doon. Hindi tayo pobre as a nation. We are so blessed with so many natural resources, climate, people, masisipag, karamihan, although may tamad. Kung bakit tayo mahirap? Dahil sa korupsyon na ever since naman may korupsyon, kaya lang matindi ngayon. Grabe, unbelievable. Yung dalawang commissioner ng ICI, may post akong nabasa na statement nila. Sabi ni Justice, retired Justice Andres Reyes, maiyak-iyak ako. How come they have get away with 500 billion? Kaya-kaya nilang lusutan. Yung mga kinurakot nitong mga na-involved sa flood control measures, 500 billion, wala lang. Ang laking pera. Ganon din si dating Secretary, DPW Secretary Singson. I could not imagine the magnitude, pervasiveness of this corruption. I think it's all over. Lahat na ng... Kasi hindi lang flood control ang may korupsyon. Farm to market road, nandyan. Classroom, pinabayaan ng mga classroom ng mga anak natin. Housing, ano pa, sa military meron din. Yung although hindi kasalanan ng military AP, kasalanan pa rin ng DPWH. Yung TICAS program o infrastruktura, ang daming mga hindi tinatapos, 15 billion. So it's just a tip of the iceberg itong corruption na na-expose ngayon. At labanan natin. Tama na, sobra na. Sana may mapanagot. Kaya lang ayokong maging negative thinker. Kaya lang sa nakikita ko yung mga mastermind hindi mapapanagot kasi parang gusto nilang pagtakpan. Yun ang masama. Ang mapreso lang yung mga malilit na isda, which is very bad. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng mga libreng livelihood assistance sa kanila. Nagpapatanim ng saging lakatan at Arabica coffee. Panoorin nyo ang video nito.
Naanami diri sa among saging lakatan, so magaputos mi sa silopin sa namunga na nga among